Before we begin, take a slow, deep breath. Allow your shoulders to relax. Allow the noise of the day to fade into the background. This moment is for you. Confidence is not something you are born with. It is not reserved for a select few. Confidence is built one thought, one choice, and one action at a time. Every confident person you admire once faced self-doubt, uncertainty, and fear. What made the difference was not talent, it was trust. Trust in themselves. Trust in their ability to learn. Trust in their ability to keep moving forward. Today's affirmations are designed to strengthen that trust within you. As you listen, allow these words to replace self-doubt with self-belief, hesitation with courage, and uncertainty with confidence. For the best results, stay with this session from beginning to end and repeat each affirmation silently or aloud. The more consistently you practice these beliefs, the more naturally they become part of who you are. Take another deep breath. Relax. And begin. I am enough exactly as I am. I do not need to earn my worth. I do not need to prove my value. I accept myself with kindness and compassion. I choose to treat myself with respect. I release the need to be perfect. I release unrealistic expectations. I release harsh self-judgment. I allow myself to be human. I allow myself to grow. Every experience has helped shape who I am today. Every challenge has made me stronger. Every lesson has helped me grow wiser. I honor the journey that has brought me here. I appreciate my strengths. I acknowledge my progress. I celebrate how far I have come. I give myself credit for continuing to move forward. I deserve the same understanding I give to others. I deserve patience. I deserve compassion. I deserve acceptance. I choose progress over perfection. I choose growth over self-criticism. I choose encouragement over doubt. I choose self-respect every day. I accept who I am. I trust who I am becoming. I am worthy. I am valuable. I am enough. I have always been enough. I trust myself. I trust my ability to learn. I trust my ability to grow. I trust my ability to adapt. I trust my ability to overcome challenges. I do not need all the answers to move forward. I trust myself to figure things out. I trust myself to learn what I need to learn. I trust myself to handle what comes next. Every challenge I have faced has taught me something valuable. Every obstacle has made me stronger. Every setback has helped me grow wiser. I am more capable than I sometimes realize. I trust my judgment. I trust my decisions. I trust my instincts. I trust my inner wisdom. I listen to myself with confidence. I release the fear of making mistakes. Mistakes are part of growth. Mistakes are part of learning. Mistakes do not define me. Every experience helps me become stronger. I trust myself to make good choices. I trust myself to solve problems. I trust myself to recover when things do not go as planned. I trust myself to keep moving forward. I am dependable. I am capable. I am resilient. I can rely on myself. The more I trust myself, the more confident I become. The more confident I become, the more I trust myself. I trust who I am. I trust who I am becoming. I trust myself completely. I choose courage over fear. I move forward even when I feel uncertain. I do not wait for perfect conditions. I do not wait for perfect confidence. I begin where I am. Every step forward strengthens my confidence. Every action builds momentum. Every effort helps me grow stronger. I trust myself enough to take the next step. Fear does not control me. Doubt does not define me. Uncertainty does not stop me. I am stronger than my fears. I am greater than my doubts. I have the courage to try. I have the courage to learn. I have the courage to grow. I have the courage to begin again whenever necessary. I give myself permission to take action. I give myself permission to be seen. I give myself permission to use my voice. I give myself permission to move forward. I am willing to step outside my comfort zone. I am willing to take healthy risks. I am willing to embrace new opportunities. I am willing to trust the journey ahead. Confidence grows every time I act. Confidence grows every time I try. Confidence grows every time I refuse to quit. Confidence grows every time I keep moving forward. I choose action over hesitation. I choose courage over comfort. I choose growth over fear. I choose progress over perfection. I am brave. I am capable. I am courageous. I am moving forward with confidence. And I trust myself every step of the way. My voice matters. My thoughts matter. My ideas matter. My presence matters. I have value to offer the world. I have unique strengths. I have unique gifts. I have something meaningful to contribute. I deserve to be seen. I deserve to be heard. I deserve to take up space. I deserve to express myself with confidence. I speak with clarity. I speak with confidence. I speak with purpose. I express myself honestly and respectfully. I trust my perspective. I trust my experience. I trust what I have learned. I trust the wisdom I have gained throughout my life. I no longer shrink myself to make others comfortable. I no longer hide my potential. I no longer underestimate my abilities. I choose to stand confidently in who I am. I carry myself with confidence. I carry myself with self-respect. I carry myself with quiet strength. I carry myself with certainty. I do not need approval to believe in myself. I do not need permission to trust myself. I do not need validation to know my worth. My confidence comes from within. I respect myself. I believe in myself. I support myself. I stand by myself. I am strong. I am capable. I am worthy. I am confident. I am becoming the best version of myself. Every day, I become more confident. Every day, I become more self-assured. Every day, I trust myself more deeply. Every day, I grow stronger from within. Confidence is becoming natural to me. Self-belief is becoming natural to me. Courage is becoming natural to me. Trusting myself is becoming natural to me. I am creating a new story about who I am. A story built on confidence. A story built on courage. A story built on self-respect. I no longer define myself by past doubts. I no longer define myself by past fears. I no longer define myself by past mistakes. I choose to define myself by who I am becoming. I see a confident future ahead of me. I see myself taking action. I see myself speaking with confidence. I see myself handling challenges with calm certainty. I trust the future I am creating. I trust the growth taking place within me. I trust the progress I am making every day. I trust the person I am becoming. I deserve a life guided by confidence. I deserve a life guided by self-belief. I deserve a life guided by courage. I deserve a life guided by purpose. My future is not controlled by fear. My future is not limited by doubt. My future is shaped by the choices I make today. My future is shaped by the confidence I build within myself. I believe in myself. I believe in my abilities. I believe in my potential. I believe in my future. I am becoming confident. I am becoming courageous. I am becoming resilient. am becoming unstoppable in my growth. I trust myself. I believe in myself. I support myself. I am proud of who I am becoming. And with every passing day, my confidence grows stronger. I am enough. I am worthy. I am valuable. I accept myself completely. I trust myself. I trust my judgment. I trust my ability to grow. I trust my ability to succeed. I choose courage over fear. I choose action over hesitation. I choose growth over comfort. I choose confidence every day. My voice matters. My ideas matter. My presence matters. I deserve to be seen and heard. I believe in myself. I believe in my potential. I believe in my future. I believe in the person I am becoming. Confidence grows within me every day. Self-belief grows within me every day. Courage grows within me every day. Strength grows within me every day. I release self-doubt. I release fear. I release hesitation. I release the need for perfection. I move forward with confidence. I move forward with purpose. I move forward with trust. I move forward with courage. I am calm. I am capable. I am resilient. I am confident. I trust myself. I believe in myself. I support myself. I stand by myself. The confidence I seek is already growing within me. The strength I need is already within me. The courage I need is already within me. The future I want begins with the beliefs I choose today. I am enough. I am capable. I am confident. I believe in myself. And every day, I become stronger.